Bertin develops unique and complex solutions in response to the specific needs of our clients in space and big science. Thanks to a multidisciplinary expertise and user-focused approach of innovation, our experts guide you through the entire project lifecycle. Together, they design complex systems and develop proprietary technologies with high-precision mechanics and optics. Our engineers work in state-of-the-art industrial and production facilities to ensure the best quality of development. The design systems feature extreme precision in terms of optical performances, mechanical stability, and remote control, often in an ultralight vacuum environment. High-tech equipment is developed and supplied throughout the assembly, integration, testing, and validation stages, ensuring the highest stability, reliability, cleanness, and following quality assurance requirements. Bertin performs the installation and validation test up to the customer's site and provides operational maintenance of the instruments. Bertin, your reference partner for the design and supply of high-tech equipment.